What if I told you animals are drawing perfect geometry circles, spirals, even living donuts, without rulers, code, or blueprints? Today, I'm chasing 3 mind-bending natural phenomena you've probably never seen up close. One is carved grain by a fish the size of your hand. One turns the sky into a moving shape you'd swear was CGI. And one is a chilling circle that shouldn't exist. Ready? Don't blink. 5 highly engaging titles. Title 1. 3. Strangest animal geometry phenomena. You won't believe mind-blowing nature. Math. The unbelievable shapes. Animals make strangest wild geometry. 3. Phenomena that should be impossible. Unbelievable animal patterns. How nature draws perfect shapes, the strangest shapes in nature. 3. Phenomena that broke my brain. Concept A. Main colors, deep teal and sand gold. Visual extreme close-up of a perfect circular sand mandala with sharp spokes, cropped off center. Small silhouette of a tiny fish for scale. Overlay text. Impossible. Concept B. Main colors, matty black and electric purple. Visual dense starling flock frozen in a clean donut torus silhouette against a glowing sky. A human face tiny in the corner with wide eyes. Overlay text. How? Concept C. Main colors, desert tan and warning red. Visual. An eerie, perfect ring of marching ants seen from above with a faint spiral blur hint. Overlay text. Why a circle? Quick engagement prompt. Which geometric phenomenon shocked you most? And what other impossible shapes should I investigate next? Top keywords and hashtags. Strangest natural phenomena. Animal geometry. Unbelievable nature. Pufferfish sand. Circle starling murmuration. And death spiral. Weird facts. Amazing nature. Mind-blowing. Nature phenomena. What if animals were secret mathematicians? No pencils, no code, just instinct, and geometry so precise it feels unreal. I'm counting down the top 3 strangest shapes animals and birds create, and number 1 absolutely broke my brain. Stay with me to the end.